Good afternoon, all of you. How are you? So, today we can do 10th class maths, chapter number 6, triangles, part number 9. Yesterday, or you can say in previous lecture, we have done what? Up to question number 3 of exercise 6.3. Now, which question? Question number 4. So, in question number 4 given in your book, in figure 6.36, so this type of triangles given to you. What type of triangles given to you? This type of triangles given you. This type of triangles given. What's its name? This is Q, this is R, this is T. This given in triangle 6.36, QR by QS, QR by QS, and QT by PR, and this given, this is a point given here, which this is point. What's its name? P, and touching this here, which point? At S, and from this coming like this. What's the name of this point? This angle is 2, this angle is 1. What's the name of this point is P. What's given? This given. So, first you can write given. What's given? In triangle, which triangle? RPQ. In triangle, which triangle? PQS, PQS, and TQR, triangle, TQR, QR by QS is equal to QT by PR, and angle 1 equal to angle 2. To prove, which thing you have to prove? To prove is this triangle PQS and triangle is similar to triangle TQR. Proof. What? Proof. In triangle TQR and triangle PQS. QR of which triangle? TQR. QR by what? QS of which triangle? Triangle PQS is equal to QT by PR by PR. So what's this? These two sides of which triangle? Given or not given? But what? Angle 1 equal to angle 2. As we know, side opposite to the equal angle are equal. Yes or no? Therefore, QP is equal to PR region is this. Understood? Therefore, in triangle TQR and triangle PQS, QR by QS is equal to QT by QP, because QP equal to PR. Angle 1 equal to angle 1. Understood? So by what? SAS similar triangle TQR is similar to triangle PQS. Understood? Now, which question? Fifth question of which exercise? 6.3. Fifth question of 6.3. It's given S and T are the point on the side PR and QR of triangle PQR. So make what? One triangle given. This is a triangle. What's its name? PQR is a triangle. S and T are point on the side PRS and T are the point on the side PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P equal to angle RTS. This is what? S and this is T. And given this angle P equal to angle RTS, its meaning, join this. This angle equal to angle this. Show that triangle. First you can write what you can write. Given. What's given? In triangle PQR, points S and T on the sides which PR and QR, and angle P equal to angle RTS. To prove, which thing you have to prove? Triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Proof. Triangle, in triangle, which triangle? RPQ. So in triangle RPQ, but what's problem? This is wrong. Actually this point is given on this side QR, here written PQ, so again make this figure, sorry for that. This is P R Q. What's written? S and T on the side PR. This point is S and this point is QR on T. Should join like this. So this is T. And this angle P equal to angle RTS, this angle equal to this angle. So you can say in triangle, which triangle you have to prove RPQ, and which triangle RTS. As you know, angle, which angle PRQ is equal to angle SRT. Common, this angle is common in both the triangle. Angle, which angle QPR is equal to RTS. Therefore, by which criteria? Triple A, similar. Triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Now question number 6, exercise which 6.3. In triangle ABE in figure 6.37, this is a figure given. What's the name of figure? 6.37, and this is the point given D. What's given? E. This and this. A, B, C. First you can write given. What's given? Triangle ABE. Triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. Triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. To prove, what you have to prove? Triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. ADE is similar to ABC. Show proof. In triangle, which triangle ADE and triangle ABC, angle DAE is equal to angle BAC, common? Yes or no? Common in both triangle. Yes or no? And triangle ABE is similar to triangle congruent. Triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. What is this? ACD and ABE, both are congruent. So what you can say about this? What you can say? Now AE equal to AD. Region triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, and AB equal to AC. Region same. Understood? Therefore, Therefore what? AE AB equal to AD by AC. This is your second, this is your first. From first and second. This written in reverse order. So we need ratio. So you can write AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. Why? Because AD equal to AE, both are equal. AB equal to AC, because both are congruent. Therefore, by which rule? SAS similar criteria. Triangle, which triangle? ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Hence result. Now question number 7. Seventh of 6.3. Idea I can tell this. It's given in figure 3.6.38 altitude. So this is a triangle given. This triangle given. Its name is A. What's its name? B. What's its name? C. And this is like this. What's its name? D. And this from perpendicular. What is this? E. This is 90 degree. This also 90 degree. We are cutting. What's the name of that point? P. It's given in figure 6.38 altitude AD and C of triangle ABC intersect each other at point P. Show that. So first you have to write given. What's given? In triangle ABC altitude AD and CE intersect at P. To prove, what you have to prove? First case I am taking triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. Proof. In triangle AEP and triangle CDP. Where is triangle AEP? Where is the triangle AEP? This triangle AEP. Angle APE equal to angle CPD, vertically opposite angle, vertically opposite angles. Then which angle? Angle AEP equal to angle, which angle? CDP, each equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by AAA criteria, triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. Second case, triangle ABD. This triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Yes or no? Triangle ABD is congruent to CBE. Easily you can prove. One angle is 90 degree. One angle is in triangle 90 degree and one angle is common. ABD and triangle CBE. Which triangle? CBE. What you can say? You can say angle ABD is equal to triangle CBE. Yes or no? And angle ADB is equal to angle, which angle? CEB is equal to 90 degree. Again by what? By AAA. Again by AAA you can show similarity criteria. Triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Third part, which part? Third part, triangle AEP is similar to prove. Given remain same. Triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB. So here looking AEP is equal to similar ADB. How can you say this? AEP. So angle AEP you can write like this in triangle. Which triangle? A proof you can write. Just I am erasing this. Triangle AEP and triangle ADB. Angle AEP equal to angle ADB, each equal to 90 degree. Then what you can take? AEP APE is equal to what? ABD. And second one, angle A you can say is common, or you can angle A equal to angle A. What is this? Common. So again by what? AAA. Similarity. Triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB. Fourth one, easily you can solve to prove triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. PDC is equal to BEC. So here I am telling you can do angle D equal to angle E, each 90, or you can say proof. In triangle, which triangle? PDC and triangle BEC, angle PDC equal to angle BEC and angle PCD equal to angle BCE. This is common. So again by triple A, what you can say? Triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. So you can do till here today. Solve 2 times question number 4 to 7. Remaining we can start in next lecture. Thank you all of you.